Hey everybody, we are jumped into the van. It's a beautiful day today. We are just got both dogs in at the moment. We have put a new harness in for Indy, so that is fixed and she's on the bed, and Shadow is fixed and lying on the floor on a
nice cool mat.
Cool mat.
Yeah, he's really enjoying it.
And then what we've got is, it is hot, it's 28 degrees outside, so we have both Sirocco fans and the Max fans on, and well, we've also got the aircon on for the car as well. So we thought we'd just drive around and find a nice little nature spot, let the dogs run around, have a cup of coffee and just sit back and relax. Look, little friend.
Hello.
Hey all. So we just stopped for a cup of coffee, took the dogs walking around, found this beautiful little place over here. Still in Adelaide at the moment, but here you go. Here. Quick cup of coffee. Nothing fancy, just a good cup of coffee. Well, mine is. Lily's got Simon.
It was worth it, really.
Good coffee.
Very good coffee, thank you.
The van is 99% completed. And there's quite a few other little surprises that we will be showing you.
It's really comfy, isn't it?
It is. So yeah, that's us just for keeping up. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We have quite a few nice, what would you call them? And not actually innovative, but we've got some good stuff for the van. That we would like to share with everybody.
We've taken a while to decide what we want, and it's good to
we'll try it out.
Around.
Yeah, we'll try it out, and then we can tell you about everything. So like and subscribe, and thanks very much for watching. You have a great week ahead.